Welcome to Geotopia for you, your one-stop destination for all things geography. In this video, we are going to discuss about the Earth's atmosphere. This topic shall be dealt with in two parts. This is the first part of this topic. Look around yourself. You're surrounded by an invisible entity called air. This air is what the Earth's atmosphere is comprised of. Without this air, no life form on Earth would be ever possible. But did you ever think what is the atmosphere or what are the gases that make it up? If you did, then this video is for you. First, we will have a look at the definition of the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere is a thick gaseous envelope which surrounds the Earth from all sides and is attached to the Earth's surface by gravitational force. Now we will have a look at the structure of the Earth's atmosphere. The atmosphere is thought to extend up to a height of 10,000 kilometers above sea level. The modern knowledge about the structure of atmosphere is based on the information received through rockets, satellites, and radars. Now we'll have a look at the structure of atmosphere based on temperature. This picture shows the various layers of the Earth's atmosphere based on differences in temperature. Now we will discuss about the lowermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere, that is the troposphere. The layer indicated by the red lines in the picture is the troposphere. It extends from 0 kilometers to 9 to 18 kilometers above sea level. The troposphere is the lowermost layer of the Earth's atmosphere. Almost all of the weather phenomena occurs in this layer. This layer is of utmost significance for all life forms in the biospheric ecosystem as they are concentrated in the lowermost part of the atmosphere. Temperature in this layer decreases at a rate of 6.5 degrees Celsius for every 1 kilometer ascent. This is called the normal lapse rate. There is a seasonal variation in height of troposphere. It is more in summer season compared to winter season. Above equator, this layer's height is 16 kilometers and above the poles is just 6 kilometers. The word troposphere literally means the zone of mixing. Now we will have a look at the tropopause. The pink line here in this picture represents the location of tropopause. The upper limit of troposphere is called tropopause. It is about 1.5 kilometers thick. There is seasonal variation in its height. Tropopause is located 17 kilometers above equator and 9 to 10 kilometers above poles. The temperature here above equator is minus 70 degrees Celsius and above poles is minus 58 degrees Celsius. Now we will discuss about the stratosphere. The layer indicated by the red lines in this picture is the stratosphere. It extends from 16 km to 50 km above sea level. The stratosphere is located above the troposphere. It extends up to a height of about 50 km above sea level. This layer is almost devoid of all weather phenomena. Temperature increases with height in this layer. Temperature at the uppermost limit of this layer is 0 degrees Celsius. Between 15 and 30 kilometers, there is a very high concentration of ozone gas. This zone is called ozonosphere. Ozone is an isotope of oxygen. Ozone is a faintly blue irradiating gas with a pungent odor. It blocks the harmful ultraviolet radiation of sun and protects life forms on Earth from it. Research has shown that the ozonosphere is fast depleting due to use of toxic gases such as chlorofluorocarbons, that is CFCs, and nitrous oxides. Depletion of ozonosphere will have catastrophic consequences for all life forms on the planet. Therefore, there is an urgent need to restore this layer. This is a picture of the ozone hole that has developed above the continent of Antarctica. Now, we will have a look at the stratopause. The pink line here in this picture represents the location of stratopause. The upper limit of stratosphere is called stratopause. It is the boundary between stratosphere and mesosphere. It is located at a height of 50 kilometers above sea level. The temperature here is minus 2.5 degrees Celsius to 0 degrees Celsius. Now we will have a look at the mesosphere. The layer indicated by red lines in this picture is the mesosphere. It extends from 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers above sea level. The mesosphere lies above the stratosphere. It extends from a height of 50 kilometers to 80 kilometers above sea level. Temperature in this layer decreases with increase in height. The temperature in the uppermost regions of this layer can reach minus 80 degrees Celsius to minus 100 degrees Celsius. Meteors which enter the Earth's atmosphere burn in the mesosphere due to immense friction caused against the air. Now we will have a look at the mesopause. The pink line here in this picture represents the location of the mesopause. The upper limit of mesosphere is called mesopause. It is the boundary between mesosphere and thermosphere. It is located at a height of 80 kilometers above sea level. The temperature here is minus 80 degrees Celsius to minus 100 degrees Celsius. Now we will discuss about the thermosphere. The layer indicated by the red lines here in this picture is the thermosphere. It extends from 80 kilometers to 600 kilometers above sea level. The thermosphere is located above the mesosphere. This layer has very little density and the air is extremely rarefied. Temperature in this layer rapidly increases with increase in height. The temperature at the uppermost levels of this layer varies from 1200 degrees Celsius to 1700 degrees Celsius. Now we will have a look at the thermopause. The thermopause is the upper limit of the thermosphere. It is the boundary between thermosphere and exosphere. It is located at a height of about 600 kilometers above sea level. This layer is also known as exobase. Now we will have a look at the uppermost layer of the atmosphere, that is the exosphere. The layer indicated by red lines in this picture is the exosphere. It extends from 600 kilometers to 10,000 kilometers above sea level. The exosphere is the outermost layer of the atmosphere. This layer is mainly composed of extremely low densities of hydrogen, helium, and several heavier molecules including nitrogen, oxygen, and carbon dioxide. The atoms and molecules are so far apart in this layer that they can travel hundreds of kilometers without colliding with one another. The auroras occur in the lower part of the exosphere where they overlap into the thermosphere. So here is a picture of the various layers of the Earth's atmosphere along with changes in temperature. Hope you found this video fun and informative. Tell us in the comments section what video you want us to make about next. And thank you very much for watching. If you liked our content, then please like our videos, share them, and subscribe to our channel.